In this video, we'll delve deep into the fascinating world of pickle manufacturing, uncovering its rich history, its key players, the different types of pickles, and the intricate process of pickle making. Let's get started. The pickle manufacturing industry in India boasts a long and storied history, deeply entrenched in the country's culinary heritage. Pickles, or achar as they are known locally, are an integral part of Indian cuisine, adding a burst of flavor and spice to meals. Historically, pickling was a method of preserving seasonal fruits and vegetables for consumption throughout the year. While modern refrigeration techniques have reduced the necessity for preservation, pickles continue to be enjoyed for their unique flavors and cultural significance. Pickles are now used as sides like dips. They consist of a blend of heavy spices to intensify the spice level and enhance the flavor of the meal. They're often served as accompaniments to main courses in restaurants, providing a burst of tanginess and heat that complements the flavors of the meal. They pair exceptionally well with staples like rice, roti, that is Indian bread, parathas, and dal, that is lentil curry. It overall enhances the dining experience. While it is potentially a billion-dollar industry worldwide, the pickle market size was valued at $10.9 billion in 2022 and is projected to reach $14.1 billion by 2030. That is, it is growing at a compounded annual growth rate of 3.3% from 2023 to 2030. The pickle industry contributes significantly to the overall food processing sector in India, which itself is a substantial contributor to the country's economy. Over the years, several iconic brands have dominated the Indian pickle market, their recipes passed down through generations, each jar carrying the essence of tradition. Names like Mother's Recipe, Patak's, Baedeker have become synonymous with quality and taste. But alongside these giants, a multitude of local pickle manufacturers thrive, each with their own unique recipes and regional flavors. From the fiery Andhra pickles to the tangy Gujarati char, every corner of India boasts its signature pickle. In the pickle business, profit margins can vary significantly depending on factors such as scale of operation, distribution channels, and brand positioning. While some smaller local pickle manufacturers may operate with tighter margins due to limited production capacity and distribution reach, larger players with established brands and nationwide distribution networks can enjoy healthier profit margins. Typically, the cost of raw materials, including fruits, vegetables, spices, and packaging materials, constitutes a significant portion of the expenses in pickle manufacturing. However, efficient sourcing practices and bulk purchasing can help optimize costs and improve margins. Additionally, branding and marketing efforts play a crucial role in determining the profitability of the pickle business. Investing in advertising, packaging design, and promotional activities can create brand awareness and preference among consumers, allowing manufacturers to command premium prices and safeguard margins. Furthermore, innovation in product development, such as introducing unique flavors or packaging formats, can provide opportunities for premium pricing and margin expansion. Overall, while competition in the pickle industry is fierce, strategic pricing, cost management, and brand building initiatives are essential for maintaining healthy profit margins and sustaining long-term success. For this industry, the target addressable market encompasses both retailers and the HoReCa sector, that is, hotels, restaurants, and catering. Retailers represent a significant portion of the pickle industry's target market. This includes supermarkets, grocery stores, especially food shops, and online platforms catering to individual customers. Pickle manufacturers focus on building strong relationships with retailers to ensure widespread distribution and availability of their products to consumers. They often offer attractive packaging, promotional deals, and point of sale displays to capture the attention of shoppers and drive sales. With the growing demand for convenience and ethnic foods, retailers serve as vital partners in reaching a diverse customer base and expanding market reach. The Horeca sector presents another lucrative segment for the pickle industry. Hotels, restaurants, catering services, and institutional buyers demand pickles in bulk quantities to complement their culinary offerings. Pickle manufacturers tailor their products and services to meet the unique requirements of the Horeca segment, offering bulk packaging options, customized flavors, and efficient delivery solutions. Building strong relationships with chefs, food service managers, and procurement teams is essential for securing contracts and becoming preferred suppliers in the dynamic market. The Horeca sector not only offers volume sales opportunities but also serves as a platform for brand visibility and product showcase, influencing consumer preferences beyond the commercial kitchen. So for India, retailers would be your local kirana walas and shopkeepers around the corner where you just step in and buy pickles. On the other hand, an example of Horeca would be a big hotel chain like Marriott or a normal North Indian and South Indian restaurant that need to serve pickles on a large scale with every meal. India offers a diverse array of pickles, each boasting unique flavors and regional influences. Here are some popular types of pickles commonly found across the country. Mango pickle. One of the most beloved varieties, mango pickle or aam ka achar, is a tangy and spicy condiment made from raw or ripe mangoes. It is often flavored with a blend of spices such as mustard seeds, fenugreek, turmeric, and red chili powder, creating a delightful balance of sweet and savory flavors. Lemon pickle or nimbu ka achar is a zesty and flavorful accompaniment made from whole or sliced lemons, marinated in salt, spices, and oil. The tartness of the lemons combined with the aromatic spices lends a refreshing and tangy taste, perfect for adding a punch of flavor to any meal. Chili pickle or mirchi ka achar is a fiery pickle made from green or red chilies infused with spices, vinegar, and oil. It offers a bold and intense flavor profile, adding heat and depth to dishes. Chili pickles come in various levels of spiciness, catering to different preferences. Mixed vegetable pickle or mixed veg achar is a vibrant medley of assorted vegetables such as carrots, cauliflower, green beans, and turnips, marinated in a tangy and spicy seasoning. This pickle offers a burst of flavors and textures, with each vegetable contributing its unique taste to the mix. These are just a few examples of the diverse range of pickles found in India. For more varieties of pickles, feel free to research the internet. So you might wonder, with what food items can we eat these pickles? So pickles serve as the perfect accompaniment to a wide variety of dishes, enhancing flavors and adding a punch of spice. Whether paired with piping hot parathas, fluffy rice, or even simple dal, pickles elevate the dining experience to new heights. Here are some examples of the same. Chole bhature, a popular North Indian dish consisting of spicy chickpea curry served with deep fried bread, that is bhature, pairs wonderfully with pickles. A tangy and spicy mango pickle or mixed vegetable pickle complements the rich flavors of the chole, adding an extra kick to each bite. Bhakri pitla, a traditional Maharashtrian dish, features bread, that is bhakri, served with a thick and flavorful chickpea flour curry, that is pitla. Pickles such as lemon pickle or green chili pickle enhance the taste of bhakri pitla by providing acidity and heat that balances the dish's savory notes. Thalipit. It is a savory pancake-like dish from Maharashtra. It is made from a mixture of multigrain flour and spices. Pickles like garlic pickles or red chili pickles can be served alongside thalipit to add bold flavors and a zesty punch to the taste of the pancake. In each of these pairings, pickles act as flavor enhancers, providing contrast and depth to the dishes they accompany. Whether it's the spicy tang of a mango pickle or the bite of a green chili pickle, Pickles add an element of excitement to the dining experience, making every bite a memorable one. These are just a few of the cases where pickles are used, so you can imagine the amount of market capital pickles contribute to the Indian food industry. So you might wonder, how is pickle made? Let's take a closer look at the intricate process behind pickle manufacturing. So let's talk about making pickles at home. Many people opt for home-based pickle making businesses, which can be a rewarding venture, blending your passion for cooking with entrepreneurial spirit. Here's a simplified guide to get you started. Research and planning. Identify market demand, plan your business structure and set a budget. Legal requirements, obtain necessary permits and ensure compliance with food safety regulations. Recipe development. Create unique pickled recipes or adapt traditional ones with your twist. Source quality ingredients and invest in basic kitchen equipment. Production process. Maintain cleanliness and follow standardized recipes for consistency and safety. Packaging and branding. Choose attractive packaging and design labels that reflect your brand identity. Marketing and sales. Utilize online platforms, farmers markets and local retailers to promote and sell your pickles. Customer service. Provide excellent service, seek feedback and continuously improve your products to meet customer preferences. Now let's speak about large-scale pickle manufacturing units. What many people do is they start off as small home-based businesses and then they evolve into large-scale pickle manufacturing units, which is a safer option for most of the people who are just stepping into the food manufacturing business. Manufacturing pickles on a bulk scale involves a systematic process to ensure consistency, quality, and efficiency. Here's an overview of the typical steps involved in pickle manufacturing at a large-scale facility. Sourcing raw materials. The process begins with sourcing high-quality raw materials such as fruits, example mangoes, lemons, or vegetables like carrots, cauliflower, and spices, oils, vinegar, and salt. These ingredients are sourced from trusted suppliers to maintain consistency in flavor and quality. Preparation of ingredients. The fruits and vegetables are thoroughly cleaned, sorted, and prepared for processing. Depending on the type of pickle being made, they may be peeled, chopped, sliced, or diced to the desired size and shape. Brine preparation. In some pickle recipes, fruits or vegetables are soaked in brine solution to enhance the flavor and aid in preservation. The brine solution typically consists of water, salt, and sometimes vinegar or other flavoring agents. The concentration of the brine may vary depending on the recipe and desired taste profile. Seasoning and mixing. The prepared fruits or vegetables are mixed with a blend of spices, herbs, oils, and other flavorings. This mixture is often based on traditional recipes passed down through generations or developed by food technologists to meet customer preferences. Cooking or fermentation. Depending on the type of pickle being made, the mixture may undergo cooking or fermentation to develop flavors and aid in preservation. Some pickles like mango or lime pickles are traditionally fermented over some time to achieve the desired taste and texture. Packaging. Once the pickling process is complete, the pickles are packaged into jars, bottles, or other containers suitable for storage and distribution. Packaging material should be food safe and designed to preserve the freshness and flavor of the pickles. Labeling and sealing. Each jar or container is labeled with product information including ingredients, nutritional facts, manufacturing date, and expiry date. Automated machinery may be used to apply labels and seal the containers to ensure product integrity. Quality control. Throughout the manufacturing process, stringent quality control measures are implemented to monitor factors such as taste, texture, color, and microbial safety. Samples may be taken at various stages for laboratory analysis to ensure compliance with food safety standards and regulations. By following these steps and adhering to strict quality standards, Manufacturers can produce pickles on a bulk scale while maintaining the authenticity and taste that consumers expect from this beloved culinary tradition. Now let's take a look at different kinds of packaging machines we manufacture at Interpack Machines and how it can benefit you if you are planning to enter the pickle manufacturing industry in India. Half cutting machine. This specialized machine is designed to cut mangoes in halves, providing uniformity in size and shape. By automating the cutting process, the half cutting machine enhances efficiency and reduces labor requirements, enabling fast throughput of raw materials for pickle production. Quarter cutting machine. Similar to the HCM, that is half cutting machine, the quarter cutting machine is tailored to cut mangoes into quarters, dividing them into 4 equal pieces. Other machine that we provide is a raw mango cubing machine, which is a high capacity machine capable of cutting raw mangoes into uniform cubes at varying speeds ranging from 0.5 tons per hour to 2 tons per hour. This equipment significantly increases productivity and facilitates large scale pickle production by efficiently processing bulk quantities of raw mangoes into standardized cubes. Piston filler. The piston filler is utilized to accurately dispense and fill pickle products into bottles with precision and consistency. This automated filling equipment ensures uniformity in product volume and minimizes wastage, enhancing the efficiency of the bottling process and maintaining product integrity. Oil dosage systems. These systems are employed to add oil to pickle bottles before they are sealed and packaged. This automated system precisely dispenses the required amount of oil, ensuring uniform distribution and enhancing the taste and texture of the pickles, thereby increasing its shelf life as well. Pickle sachet packing machine. These sachets are convenient for on-the-go consumption and are particularly useful for railway meals or other catering services where portion control and convenience are essential. Pickle bottling line. As the name suggests, the bottling line is a comprehensive automated system that encompasses various stages of the bottling process, including filling, capping, and labeling. This advanced machinery ensures efficient throughput of pickle products with automated bottle handling and sealing mechanisms to optimize production speed and maintain product hygiene and safety standards. Storage and distribution. After the packaging and labeling process, pickles are carefully stored in temperature-controlled warehouses equipped with refrigeration or climate-controlled systems. These facilities maintain the pickles at optimal temperature levels, ensuring their freshness and flavor are preserved throughout storage. Advanced inventory management systems track inventory levels and expiration dates and facilitate efficient order fulfillment, while regional distribution centers strategically located across various territories streamline the delivery process to retailers and wholesalers. During transportation, strict quality assurance measures are in place, utilizing temperature-controlled vehicles or refrigerated containers to safeguard pickle integrity, especially for perishable varieties. Upon reaching retail outlets, manufacturers collaborate with the retailers to ensure proper merchandising and display, utilizing attractive packaging and promotional offers to entice consumers and drive sales. And there you have it, a glimpse into the fascinating world of pickle manufacturing in India. To stay updated with other content related to food technology, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Happy eating!